So some of you ask me with regard to the Klipsch ProMedia 2.1 THX that you have a different box and different connectors. Let me show you what I received from Klipsch. It's also ProMedia 2.1 THX, and the box looked like this. In terms of specification, they are supposed to be identical. And from the listening tests, they are. The only difference, at least the main difference, is the amplification system. That this version is using digital amplification, which obviously runs much quieter and much cooler compared to the previous system I reviewed. They both have identical speakers, but this one comes with white LED instead of the green one. The subwoofer is identical looking as well, with one exception. Instead of using DIN connector, it uses DB9 connector with screws on the left and right. So everything will be snug fit once you screw on the screws. Connecting to the speaker systems are identical to the previous system, so you just make sure the red cable goes to the red connector and the black cable goes to the black connector. And of course you use the left and right speaker assignment accordingly. So I hope it helps, and enjoy your speakers. So if you like my video, please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification button so you won't miss any video coming from me in the future. Thank you very much. Bye now.